Everyone except the police officers remain in the camera and remain quiet until your name is called. Mr. David, turn on your video and remain in the camera, and everyone remain seated and quiet.
Mr. Murray, are you available? I was trying to give you the offer for your client.
36th District Court is now back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no in and out of the camera. You can walk around your home, listen to radio or television, eat, drink, smoke, or talk to other people of your household. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Everyone, when I call your name, please let the attorney say their name first, and then you say your name. This is the people versus Sonia Dickerson. Ticket number SP 606 626, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 510-565, count 1, no operator's license in possession. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Sonia Dickerson. Judge, she wants to waive her right and plead guilty to the offer that was made.
All right, and it looks like there's also another ticket. I don't know if it's on the docket. I don't think it's on the docket, but ticket number 22749905, count 1, no insurance. Ms. Dickerson, say your name for the record, please.
Yes, my name is Sonia Dickerson.
Okay, raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of November 11, 2022 at 6:05 p.m. on a date time at or near Broadway and John R. in the city of Detroit.
I was, yes.
Were you driving a 2004 Nissan vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
It was not my vehicle, and no, it was not insurance on it.
Are you satisfied, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the counts to a proper place. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
You're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Dickerson. Can you have that fine paid by May 19th?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the last part.
Can you have the fine? It's a $200 fine. Can you pay it by May 19th?
Yes, I can.
Any questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You all have a blessed day.
Thank you. This is the people versus Andre Roberts, ticket number 22747344, count 1, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Melita Baird on behalf of Andre Roberts. He is asking that the arraignment be waived wait for me the information, not guilty, and needs a new date to come back.
Say your name, Mr. Roberts.
Andre Roberts.
Does he want to, does he want a pretrial or a bench trial date?
He wants a pretrial. He just needs to get his paperwork, so not too far out.
So we'll set it for a pretrial May 3rd at 8:35. Did you get that date, sir?
I'm writing it down right now, ma'am. And 8:45? 35, okay.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Definitely, thank you so much.
People versus Devin Reese, ticket number SP 742356, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1396863, count 1, drive while license suspended, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Melita Baird on behalf of Devin Reese. Judge, he wants to waive his rights and plead guilty to the offer that was made.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Reese. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Barrett, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 11, 2022 at 4:09 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Greenfield and Grove in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2021 Nissan vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Ms. Barrett?
It's fine.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis for the counsel failed to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $200, Mr. Reese. Can you have that fine paid by May 19th?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
All set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. This is the people versus Carlos Robinson, ticket number SP 1420887, count 1, driver revoked license, and ticket number SP 1420886, count 1, improper place, count 2, driving registered or entitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Melita Baird on behalf of Carlos Robinson. His matters were set for trial today, so the police officers were here. He wants to waive his right and plead the failure to display an improper plates.
Raise your right hand, say your name, Mr. Robinson.
Carlos Robinson.
Raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Barrett, in private about your case and your right.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 5th, 2023 at 2:50 p.m. On that date and time, we at or near Davidson and Dexter in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2002 Buick vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving with a revoked license?
Yes.
And were the plates improper on that vehicle?
Yes, they was.
You're satisfied, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
Court also satisfied factual basis. Will amend the revoked license charge to fail to display. You stipulate your probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $250 for the fail to display. I'll waive the fine for the improper plates. Can you have the $250 paid by May 19th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck.
Oh, do I come down there and pay it, right?
You can pay it in the courthouse, you can pay it over the phone, you can pay it online, there's kiosk in CVS or Meyer called DivDat, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom, you can pay it on that. I can give you the phone number if you like,
Yes, please.
let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
It's 855-798-1547.
1547.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Judge, I believe, Counsel Murray is ready.
Yeah. Mr. Murray, did you offer for your client?
No, I did not. I did not, Your Honor.
Did you want it?
Yes, please.
The offer for your client, before she left.
You're done, Mr. Robinson. You can leave.
Oh, okay, thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Does he have a license or insurance?
You muted.
Are you referring to Ms. David?
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I do not believe so at this time. We do have insurance. I do not believe we have a license at this time. Ms. David, please unmute yourself.
Ms. Horn, we're talking about Robin David. You see that
Correct.
docket? He said he said
In the
that-
file?
You only did it for one ticket.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Can Ms. David please be unmuted?
Miss David, tap your device, and at the bottom of it, you'll see a microphone. Tap on it. It's to the bottom left. Okay.
Ms. David, do you currently have a license and/or insurance?
No. My license were canceled. I have to take care of this before I can get my license.
Thank you.
Okay, the people would offer improper plates as to ticket ending 5462.
So if you wouldn't mind, Attorney Horn, it's more than just those tickets. It's a couple of different tickets. Would you mind entering a breakout room for a second?
Yes, absolutely. I'm looking at the docket and okay, let me go into breakout room.
Okay,
Well,
thank you.
the breakout rooms are closed, and I can do it after we're done with these few people. Because about everybody go back.
What I'll do, I'll open it. If you guys get sucked into the breakout room, I'm gonna bring you back out, okay?
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Thank
Prosecutor Juan, put you on one. She knows.
All right, okay. Okay, this is the people versus Kiana Davenport, ticket number SP 1166004, count 1, allow an unlicensed driver to drive. The one you say your name is record.
Melinda Baird on behalf of Kiana Davenport. I believe this was hers was arraignment. Way formerly and waive formal reading of the information, stand mute, and then she wants to take the plea offer. Is she out here?
All right, you say your name is Davenport.
Kiana Davenport.
Okay, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to the.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
I didn't finish it. Can you turn your volume down or something, because there's a lot of feedback. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Baird, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, just to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of February 14, 2021 at 2:21 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2011 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
Court is also satisfied with the factual basis and will proceed to sentencing. This is the 3-month delayed sentence. So that means that you need to pay a fine. The fine's gonna be $200. And in the next 3 months, you can't get any more tickets, no citations, no violations, nothing. So essentially no further police contact. When you come back on your next court date, which is going to be July 19th, if you paid the fine, haven't gotten any more tickets, this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Your next court date is July 19th at 8:35.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. All right, this is the people versus Waukesha Rutland. Number 2071601. Count 1, no operators license in possession. Count 2, open intoxicant motor vehicle driver. Ticket number SP 929665. Count 1, driver license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP. All right, ticket number SP 525407. Count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1180990. Strike that. Ticket number SP 1242268. Count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number 18437-312. Count 1, improper plate. Ticket number 20720-155. Count 1. Strike that. Those are simple fractions. Ticket number S 18437-311. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driver's license expired. Count 3, driver register on type of vehicle. Ticket number SP 1085314. Count 1, driver license suspended repeat offender. Ticket number 2071167. Count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number 2071167. Count 1, driver license suspended. And ticket number SP 51862. Count 1, fails to say about operator's license, not a person. Count 2, driver register on title vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no, it's not. Ticket number SP 1178748. Count one, fails to display about operator's license without a person. Count two, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count three, reckless driving. And there's a ticket number SP 1181031. Count one, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. All right, good morning, please say your name, Director.
Melita Baird on behalf of Waukesha Rutland. Judge, Ms. Rutland waived her right to plead guilty to the offer.
All right. Raise your right hand, Ms. Rutland. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
Completely of your own free will.
yes,
Plead guilty because you're actually guilty. You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you wish to continue to guilty plea.
yes,
Okay. I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of December 29th, 2020 at 9 p.m. on the date and time we at near Piedmont and Van Buren in the city of Detroit.
yes,
I'm sorry. No, this is correct. Were you driving a 2006 Buick vehicle?
yes,
And did you have open intoxicant in your motor vehicle?
yes,
Satisfied?
Yes.
First officer satisfied factual basis. Will amend it to open intoxicant passenger. One moment. I'm going to direct your attention to September 20th, 2018 at 3:15 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Mack and Burns in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2015 Dodge vehicle?
yes,
Were you driving when your license was suspended?
yes,
Did you not have insurance on your vehicle?
yes,
Satisfied? Very.
Satisfied.
Course, I'm satisfied. Actually, basis will amend those counts. You failed to display and improper plates. Yes, it's state matter. I'm going to direct your attention to January 3rd, 2016 at 11:46 a.m. On that date and time, at or near Evergreen and Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit.
yes,
Be driving a 1999 Honda vehicle.
yes,
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
yes,
You're satisfied, Ms. Baird?
Yes.
Court is also satisfied with factual basis. And accept that plea. Stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Okay, so they're dismissed without prejudice. One set of tickets though is, well, one set of ticket, which is ticket number SP 1178748. That was set for trial. The officer failed to appear, so that will be dismissed without prejudice. There is a ticket, however, of SP 1181031 of driver license suspended repeat offender and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. That, I'm sure you're asking for it to be dismissed. The people are requesting that this be adjourned because the officer is at his brother's funeral right now. So the court will adjourn this matter and set it for trial on May 3rd at 9 o'clock.
Mhm.
But everything else is dismissed. We will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine. So, okay, so there's gonna be a fine of I'll do a fine. It's gonna total 500. So for the passenger, open alcohol passenger, that fine would be 250. And then for one of the belted displays, that fine would be $250. And then your other fines will be waived. And can you have that paid by May 19th?
Yes.
Any questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you are all set.
Ms. Rutledge, you know you got to come back on that new court date.
Yes, on the 3rd at 9 o'clock, right?
I just
Same
want to
judge?
do that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank
you.
Can I see this Robin David's case? I was waiting for Mr. Radler to come back out. You know that summary sheet that shows what people owe? Like, I was just wondering, like when her default.
All right, so, Mr. Mr. Potts, I'm gonna just give Kevin Robinson another day. I give him May 3rd.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Did you want to put it on record?
Yeah, this is the people versus Kevin Robinson, ticket number SP 1419205. Count 1, improper land usage. Count 2, no receipt of or assigned registration. Count 3, fails to immediately disclose to the officer that he or she is carrying a weapon. And ticket number SP 1419229. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Warning, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Colin Potts, P7607 on behalf of Mr. Robinson. Your Honor, Mr. Robinson was on, I believe he has some connectivity issues. So I'll just ask the court to adjourn this matter to another date.
All right, so we saw him, but he was having some issues with his connection. So the court is going to set this matter for another bench trial, May 3rd at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I'm free to go.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Ms. Bear, we're just waiting.
Okay, we're done.
Yes, thank you.
Hi, Judge. You like Judge versus